Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best macro lenses that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist, or just someone looking to up your macro photography game, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the APEXEL Professional Macro Photography Lens for Smartphone. This lens is designed with portability and convenience in mind, and it's ideal for smartphone photographers who want to dive into macro photography without breaking the bank. The APEXEL lens features a high-quality optical design with 5 pieces of coated glass, which minimizes distortion and eliminates vignetting. It offers a 10x magnification, which is perfect for capturing intricate details such as the texture of a leaf or the structure of an insect's wing. When it comes to design, the APEXEL lens is compact and lightweight, making it an ideal option for on-the-go photography. The clip-on attachment is easy to use and accommodates a wide variety of smartphones, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy devices, and Google Pixels. The soft silicone clip prevents scratches on your phone, while the large aperture design ensures smooth bokeh and natural background separation. However, this lens is not without its limitations. While it's great for beginners and casual users, the fixed 10x magnification may feel restrictive for professionals who want more versatility. Additionally, it struggles to perform in low-light conditions and lacks the advanced features of more expensive macro lenses. But for its price point, the APEXEL is a solid entry-level choice, especially for smartphone users looking to explore the world of macro photography. At number 4, we have the K&F Concept 10x macro lens, which is specifically designed for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This lens is a fantastic choice for macro enthusiasts who are already using the Osmo Pocket system. The 10x magnification enables ultra-close focusing at distances of 20 to 40 millimeters, making it an excellent tool for capturing intricate details in nature, jewelry, or even product photography. The build quality of this lens is impressive. It's crafted from high-quality aluminum and AGC optical glass, ensuring durability and excellent image clarity. The multi-layer coatings on the lens minimize reflections, resist water and dust, and provide added scratch resistance. The magnetic mount is another standout feature, allowing you to quickly attach and detach the lens without any hassle. However, it's important to note that the lens must be removed before closing the camera, which can be slightly inconvenient. In terms of performance, the K&F Concept lens delivers sharp and vibrant images with minimal distortion, but its compatibility is limited to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Which makes it less versatile compared to other macro lenses on this list. If you're a DJI Osmo user though, this lens is a no-brainer and offers excellent value for enhancing your macro shots. Coming in at number 3 is the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit, a versatile and highly portable option for smartphone photographers. This kit includes both a 15x macro lens and a 0.45x wide-angle lens, making it a great choice for those who want flexibility in their photography. The macro lens captures incredible detail, while the wide-angle lens allows you to include more in your frame, perfect for landscapes or group shots. The Zenvo kit is thoughtfully designed with hobbyists and professionals in mind. The lenses are made from aircraft-grade aluminum and feature multi-coated glass elements to prevent ghosting, reflections, and lens flare. The included glow clip rechargeable LED light is a standout feature, providing consistent and natural illumination for your subjects. With 3 brightness levels, it's perfect for shooting in low-light conditions. Plus, the quick-release lanyard and travel case make it easy to carry and protect your gear. One drawback is that, while the kit is compatible with most smartphones, the clip-on design may not fit perfectly on certain phone models with bulky cases. Additionally, the macro lens requires you to get extremely close to your subject, which can be challenging for moving objects like insects. Still, the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for smartphone photography enthusiasts who want to expand their creative possibilities. At number 2, we have the Canon RF100mm F2.8 L Macro IS USM lens. This professional-grade lens is designed for Canon's EOS R series mirrorless cameras and is the world's first medium telephoto macro lens with a 1.4 times magnification. The fixed f2.8 aperture ensures bright and sharp images, even in challenging lighting conditions, while the hybrid image stabilization provides up to 5 stops of shake correction for handheld shooting. Canon has paid special attention to the design and build quality of this lens. It's robust, weather-sealed, and built to withstand the rigors of professional use. The SA Spherical Aberration Control Ring is a unique feature that allows you to adjust the bokeh characteristics, giving you more creative control over your shots. Whether you're capturing fine details in macro photography or shooting stunning portraits, this lens delivers exceptional image quality with minimal distortion. The main downside is the price, which places it firmly in the professional category. Additionally, its compatibility is limited to Canon's RF mount cameras, which might not suit everyone. However, if you're a professional photographer invested in the Canon ecosystem, the RF100mm F2.8 L Macro IS USM lens is a top-tier choice that's worth every penny. Finally, at number 1, we have the Nikon NIKKOR Z MC 105mm F2.8 VRS lens. This professional macro lens is part of Nikon's S line and is designed for their Z series mirrorless cameras. With a life-size 1:1 magnification and an advanced optical design, this lens is perfect for revealing the intricate details of your subjects. The bright f2.8 aperture allows for exceptional low-light performance and beautifully blurred backgrounds. The build quality is outstanding, with a weather-sealed construction that ensures durability in all conditions. Nikon has incorporated vibration reduction (VR) technology, which is a lifesaver for handheld shooting, especially in macro photography, where stability is critical. The lens also features nanocrystal and ARNO coatings to minimize flare and ghosting, delivering stunning clarity and contrast. While the price is on the higher side, the NIKKOR Z MC 105mm F2.8 VRS offers unmatched performance, making it the ultimate choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts. Its versatility also extends beyond macro photography, as it doubles as an excellent portrait lens. If you're looking for the best of the best, this Nikon lens is the one to beat.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy shooting, and I'll see you in the next video.